Hi everyone, I'm Harsh Karya and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Logical Minds. The name of my organization is Logical Minds, and we're basically a self-learning platform that strives to kind of empower kids or empower students to increase their curiosity. And we allow students to create content as well as consume content. So it's basically a platform where you can meet with other students and they're kind of spread your knowledge while also gaining knowledge in all sorts of fields, from like robotics to philosophy or to like Python programming, so anything like that. So my job as a Chief Executive Officer is to kind of handle operations as well as strategy. So I make up strategy as to how we can expand how we can scale up globally. And one of the decisions I made was to kind of expand our services into creating course content for other nonprofits and allowing students to create their own content. So we'll actually help nonprofits use our student base of 41,000 students, and we kind of have them bounce off of our established brand credibility and kind of spread their own knowledge and their own nonprofit missions as well. We actually encourage our user base or our users to create content, because right now all the self-learning options out there, they just it's a passive sort of mechanism. You just consume content, you never interact with your content, you never make your own content. So we actually encourage our users to create content that they are knowledgeable about, and we actually verify all the content to make sure everything is accurate, from about robotics or Python programming, make sure everything is correct, and we just allow you to spread your knowledge as well. You can go to our website at logicalminds.org. We have articles on our website written by our community members. We have videos on our website or on our YouTube channel. And we also, you can also email us at logicalmindsofficial@gmail.com with any questions. And you can also go to our our Udemy page, and you will find courses online as well. So right now, our biggest goal is to kind of integrate our website. We have a functioning website online right now, but we're kind of, with so many users, we want to integrate our website. We want to revamp our website by allowing users to kind of access courses through just one click. And that's our short-term goal. And long-term, we want to go into universities and school districts. We have one school district so far, but we want to go into other universities and colleges and schools, so that anybody and everybody can kind of access this content as well as make their own content for the world.